Back to school season is here. As we go out and buy pencils, crayons, and notebooks, we have to think, what are we going to feed our kids after school? Today, I'm making gluten-free zucchini muffins. I'm adding milk for a creamy texture, but also adding an additional 8 grams of protein. Let's get cooking.
Eggs, milk, vanilla, olive oil. Mix well.
Baking soda, baking powder mix, coconut palm sugar,
Gluten-free flour.
Gonna mix this to incorporate all the ingredients, making sure we are gentle on the mix. We want to keep that zucchini intact.
Transfer mixture into a muffin tray, making sure it is spread out evenly. Placing the oven set at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. You can check the doneness by inserting a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out clean, you are good to go. Now it's time to serve. Let cool a little bit, remove from pan, and enjoy with a nice cold glass of milk.